Alright guys, I'm back, and this is part 4, and I actually found out what the error was. The error was right here. I forgot to add ent or array index.origin bracket 2, it's less than 180. I forgot to add that, so yeah, that's why I got bad syntax. So basically what I did was I put this there, right here, and it was on the wrong position, so I had to put that down here. And I forgot to add that right there. So yeah, now we're gonna check syntax and see if it's correct. The syntax of project is correct. Now we're gonna inject it to the game. We're gonna inject the project to the game. Alright, there, injected that quick because there's no function, so it's that fast to inject. And now we're gonna start up the game and see if we get the welcome message, which we edited right here. Well, you guys saw it, but yeah. I'll wait for it. And there it is. Welcome to test menu on the top. As you can see right there on the top, it says welcome to test menu, just like we put right here. Welcome message. Just like we put right here. Welcome to test menu. It was right there, and of course it was green, and then the glow color was purple or pink, as you guys saw right here. And then the prestige symbol was under it right here, rank prestige. It's the icon. And then the status, of course, it said host, because I am host of the lobby. So yeah, got that covered up. Now we're gonna go move on. Okay, now we're done welcome. That's complete. Menu init. Yeah, well, this is the actual menu that opens up, but first let me just cover the beginning part. Okay, okay, skip this part for right now. Self iprintln. If you guys do not know what iprintln means, iprintln is the text that comes out at the bottom corner, bottom left of the game. Like, if you would whenever you spawn or whenever you select an option, it would say God mode on, and it would come out like at the bottom corner left. If you put iprintln bold, it would come up in the middle of the screen. So I'm just gonna put iprintln just for example. So I'm gonna put like I'm gonna put it light blue, and I'm gonna put this is iprintln, and then this is to use to open the menu. This is just the option, not the option, but the one under right here. It's basically to notify you what options to press to open the menu. So if you guys don't know what speed throw is, the code right here, speed throw, is actually L1, and Mayday is R3. So in this case, this mod menu to open it, it's it's L1 and R3, and then it has to define the menu right here when we put self thread. That's when we have to create the shaders and blah blah blah. Yeah, so now that you put this is iprintln, we're gonna test it out. So we're gonna inject it. It's done. So now we're gonna start up the game, and we're gonna see if it shows the text on the bottom. It's just gonna show up right here on the corner left, and we put it light blue because we put it the arrow key as number 5. So yeah, there it is right there. It says this is iprintln. I don't know if you can see that, but it says this is iprintln, what we just did. So yeah, that's the welcome message that you're gonna get when you spawn, or if you have like if you give the menu to another person, it's gonna show that same thing too. So yeah, cover that now. Gonna move on. Self freeze controls false. Basically, you're not frozen. You can move around. Close menu on death. Self thread. Close menu on death. Basically, when you die, the menu closes. You have to define this, obviously, so we have to create it. Self.menu.background info equals draw shader. I don't know what that is. Background info, I don't know. Swag test. Create font string, but big. It's basically the text, I think, right here. Yeah, and then the function closes right here. Draw text. Basically, whenever you're about to make a text it's gonna, this is the variables for your text. Font scale X, Y. Text is the text that you're gonna put. Font is the type of font. There's default, a big, objective. Font scale is the size. X is if you wanted to go out left or right. Y is up and down. Color is the color. Alpha is to make it visible. Glow color is the glow color that you want it to be. And glow alpha is to make the glow visible. And then sort, to sort it wherever you want it to be. And then, as you can see right here, all this is here, and then return hood. Draw shader, same thing. Shader, what type of shader? Like if you want the one that I put, progress bar FG small, and or white, whatever. X, right, left, Y, up, down. Width is the width of the shader that you want it to be. Height is the height of it. Color is the color, and then alpha to make it visible, and sort is to sort it out. And then you got all this stuff right here. Verification to color, verification to number status. Basically, the statuses that you're gonna be in. Verification to color. These are the colors. Host is green, coast blue, admin red, VIP dark blue, and verified yellow. And then it's going to return to the other variable. Change. I don't even feel like going over all that right now. Oh my gosh. Get player name. So when you go on player menu, for the player that you want. So yeah. Well, we already did that. So now we're gonna move on to create menu. So basically, open it up, and then it's gonna say self, add menu, main menu, undefined. Now it has these brackets because it's actually already here. We're gonna go to add menu. We're going to see where it's made from. Add menu. No. Oh, there it is. Add menu. And as you can see, that this is where it's created. Add menu. Menu. And then previous menu means where it's going to go when you go back. Status means if you're co-host, admin, VIP, verified. And then under it is add option. So like if you would select an option, what would happen? And this is the menu of it, where it's gonna be at. The text, whatever you want to put, like God mode, unlimited ammo. The function, where you have to call it. And then R1 and R2 is just extra stuff, wherever you want to add to, whatever you want to add it to. But you have to define it to another statement. So, alright, we're gonna create we're gonna go down to, okay, submenu 1, submenu, it's gonna call for these two little dots right here for basically where it's gonna call the script for. So in this case, submenu, it's basically gonna create another menu. So then submenu 1, and then it's gonna go down here to submenu 1. So if you click on it, it's gonna go right here to submenu 1. And I'm actually gonna change. No, I'm not gonna change it, but I'm just gonna leave it like that for right now. But and then host means the person that, if you give the menu, this is